All in IAS News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. Summer vacation is going on Raj English School. Now some CBSE related news. City CBSE schools to introduce positive affirmations in assemblies for student mental social well-being. Now some national news. Helicopter crashes in Uttarakhand's Kedarnath, at least 5 dead. Ahmedabad plane crash, Air India to provide 25 rupees lakh interim payment to kin of deceased survivors. Now some international news. Women kill at least 100 people in Nigeria's Benue state. Amnesty International says Israel-Iran conflict updates. Iran announces Operation Honest Promise 3 against Israel. State TV says. Now some education news. 12.37 lakh clear NEET, no perfect scores. 58% Karnataka candidate cracked NEET UG. Bangalore student emerges state topper. Now some entertainment news. Modern Family star Ariel Winter poses as a 12-year-old to catch child predator in scary undercover operation. Now some other news. Kevin Pietersen lost Eden Markram for WTC final, harasses best innings any South African batter has ever played. Neeraj Chopra seeks to break second place jinx at Paris Diamond League on June 20. Now some sports news. Temba Bavuma calls out Australia's disastrous sledging after WTC win. India versus India, a highlights intra-squad match day 2 ratio 27-year-old star axed from main squad slams Don. Now last but not the least, some of the Scout Guide news. On 12th June 2025, the district level annual meeting of the East Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guide District Association Dhanbad was successfully organized at Dhanbad. Now let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these news headlines in details, starting with some of the school news. Raj English School is currently on summer break and will reopen on June 21st. All students are informed to utilize this period to complete their summer vacation homework and focus on their studies. Now some of the CBSE related news. Ranchi. Several CBSE affiliated schools in the city will soon include positive affirmations in their morning assemblies. The move introduced by the CBSE is aimed at mental wellness of the students and their socio-emotional developments, educationalists said. Now some of the national news. Fifth helicopter accident in Uttarakhand in around 40 days. The helicopter was flying from Kedarnath to Gupta Kashi. 5 adults, a child and a pilot were on board. Air India on Saturday, June 14, 2025 announced that it will provide an interim of payment of rupees 25 lakh to the families of the deceased and survivors of the Ahmedabad plane crash. Now some of the international news. At least 100 people have been killed in an attack by gunmen on a village in Nigeria's central Benue state. Amnesty International Nigeria said Saturday, June 14, 2025, Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian warned on Saturday, June 14, 2025 that there would be a more severe and powerful response if Israel continued to strike his country. The continuation of Zionist aggression will be met with a more severe and powerful response from the Iranian armed force, Mr. Pezeshkian said. Now some educational news. 12.37 lakh clear NEET, no perfect scores. A year after 17 candidates secured a perfect score of 720 in revised NEET UG results last year. The top score of this year dropped to 686 with no candidate securing a full 720. The National Testing Agency NTA on Saturday announced NEET UG 2025 results where Karnataka registered a qualification rate of 58%, a 5% drop from last year. Now some entertainment news. Actor Ariel Winter is putting her acting skills to some great use. The 27-year-old, who is best known for playing Alex Dunphy on Modern Family, recently posed as 12-year-old girl to lure catch a sexual predator. Now other news. Former England captain Kevin Pistol on Saturday placed Protea opener Eden Markram's calculated century against Australia in the World Test Championship, finally as the best innings by a South African batter in Test format. Paris demand India's star javelin Neeraj Chopra will be eyeing the first major crown of this season after finishing second in back-to-back tournaments as the superstar returns to the Paris Diamond League after 8 years to contest in a top class field on June. Now some of the sports news. After years of falling short at or right before the final hurdle, South Africa finally made that final step that leads to silverware. It has been an albatross hanging around the South African team's neck. India versus India, intra-squad match. Day 2 highlights. Day 2 of the intra-squad practice match between India and India A at Beckenham, Kent has concluded. In the absence of head coach Gautam Gambhir, who flew back to India due to a personal emergency. Now some of the Scout Guide news. 12th June 2025, the district level annual meeting of East Central Railway Bharat Scout and Guide District Association Dhanbad was successfully organized. The meet was discussed the continuous development of scouting, enhancing youth participation, strengthening infrastructure and outlining upcoming activities. Shri Ashok Kumar, Senior Divisional Personnel Officer cum District Commissioner, graced the event as the chief guest. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with RS News channel.